If you can tell by my hat, we're going to Animal Kingdom today. We are at the Animal Kingdom. And it's before 8 in the morning. This one's at 8. It's cold. We're heading over to Everest. And then I'm not sure what else we're going to do because there's not really that much to do at Animal Kingdom. But look at the scenery. It's all about show. Roberta's going on her first ride Disney World. It's the first train of the day.
Try one train. Manually do the same.
We're flying a dinosaur! Angie! We park hopped to EPCOT, and it's much warmer here because there's no trees every second you walk, and it's very crowded. That's just for Spaceship Earth, and I looked online, and I think it says Soarin' was a 100-minute wait, and Fast Passes are pretty much all gone. We're doing a lot of character hunting today. We saw, if I can remember, Donald and Duffy and Mulan, and now Snow White. The ZD sisters.
If you are chosen, you come. You have. If you are not here, you enjoy. Yeah.
Pinch them like this and then they talk. Have you never done that? They all do it. How are you?
Eating Around the World Part 1, Crepes in France.